How ChatGPT Can Exacerbate Inequities in Education by Mobeen Ajmal. Artificial intelligence, AI, language models such as ChatGPT are often lauded for their potential to transform education, particularly regarding efficiency and accessibility. However, the use of ChatGPT in education also poses significant challenges, particularly regarding equity and inclusion. This video will explore how ChatGPT can exacerbate existing educational inequities. One of the main ways ChatGPT can contribute to inequities in education is through its potential to widen the digital divide. While ChatGPT is designed to improve access to information, it requires access to a reliable internet connection and a device capable of running the software. Furthermore, GPT-4, a more powerful and advanced version, is paid for students who come from low-income households or live in areas with poor internet connectivity. This technology may not be accessible, widening the gap between the privileged and the disadvantaged. Now, not all is bad. The students have to be proactive now. From free trials from multiple accounts to free versions of new chatbots and, ultimately, creating their own chatbots with using Chat's APIs or SmartBot, are options that students can explore to ensure that they are on top of the game. Another way in which ChatGPT can exacerbate inequities is by contributing to the homogenization of education. ChatGPT has the potential to automate tasks such as grading and essay writing, making education more efficient and reducing the workload of teachers. However, it can also lead to a standardization of education, where every student is expected to produce the same output. This can stifle creativity and innovation, particularly among marginalized students who may already feel disconnected from mainstream education. In a group of responses created by ChatGPT, the newness dies. One of my students called the chatbot's responses same myriad of information. That is, the same information is given out in hundreds of different combinations, and the uniqueness of the human mind is lost in the process. Without human intervention, the students will no longer be able to impress the teachers. Now is the time for creativity. Only the creative few will lead when the mundane can be done in seconds. Furthermore, Chat's reliance on training data can also contribute to bias and inequity. Machine learning models like ChatGPT are only as unbiased as the data they are trained on. If the data used to train ChatGPT reflects the biases and prejudices of its creators, then the model will reproduce and even amplify those biases in its outputs. This can perpetuate existing inequities, particularly those related to race, gender, and socioeconomic status. Again, the problem exists, and understanding the problem is 75% of the solution. ChatGPT's answers are neither unique nor 100% correct, but if a student wants to create uniqueness, find what is not added in Chat's or other chatbots' training samples and use those materials to strengthen their arguments. In addition, Chat's lack of emotional intelligence can make it particularly challenging for students who require a more personalized and supportive approach. For example, students with disabilities or mental health challenges may struggle to engage with ChatGPT, which cannot provide the same emotional support as a human teacher or tutor. So what can students do to mitigate the negative impacts of ChatGPT on education? First and foremost, students need to recognize the technology's limitations and approach it as a tool rather than a replacement for human teachers and tutors. Students should also advocate for equitable access to technology and support the development of AI models designed with equity and inclusion in mind. Furthermore, students can work to diversify the data used to train ChatGPT and other AI language models. By advocating for the inclusion of more diverse perspectives and experiences in the training data, students can help ensure that these models are less likely to perpetuate biases and inequities. In conclusion, ChatGPT has the potential to revolutionize education, but it also poses significant challenges in terms of equity and inclusion. By recognizing these challenges and working to mitigate their negative impacts, students can help ensure that the benefits of AI technology are available to all, regardless of their background or circumstance.